Hello and welcome to Alpha Active Learning. Today's topic, fractions from Standard 6, subject Mathematics. Fractions. You have learnt in the 5th standard. Let's revise. So let's take a chocolate bar and you will eat only 2. So from the 5 parts, you are eating 2 parts. We'll write 2 upon 5, where 2 is numerator, 5 is denominator. Let's take strip. Now this strip has many square parts. So first of all, find out the square part. There are 8. Now look at the blue colored square. There are 5. So we'll write 5 upon 8. 5 numerator, 8 denominator. The last one. Again see, the total number of parts are 11. But from this 11, how many are green? Just count. Yes, there are 7. So 7 upon 11. So this is what we have learned. Look at this circle. We have made certain parts. Now, just observe, count. How many colored parts? 7 green parts out of 10. Second example. Yes, 3 colored part out of 5, and in the last there are 5 color part out of 6. These fractions are of 3 types. The first is proper fraction. Let's take an example. You have an entire pizza which is cut into 8 parts. Now only 3 parts are left. So we write 3 upon. In the rectangle, 2 parts are colored. We write 2 upon 3. In decagon, 3 parts are colored. We write 3 upon 10. And in the next, 7 parts are colored. We write 7 upon 10. Now whether it is 3 upon 8, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 10 or 7 upon 10. Here, in all these, the numerator is less than denominator. Numerator denominator से कम है, छोटा है, right? So when in a fraction, when the numerator is less than the denominator, we term such fraction as proper fraction. Improper fraction. Let's take an example. You have one pizza and you have eaten 3/4 part of another pizza. Now, I can say that this is 7 upon 4. Now you will be surprised. Why 7 upon 4? So children, look at the first pizza. It is divided into 4 equal parts, right? The second pizza is also divided into 4 equal parts. So each part is 1/4. So what I will do? I will eat the first 1/4 part of the pizza, right? Again, I will eat the second part. That is also 1/4. I will eat third part. Again, it is 1/4. Fourth part. Again, it is 1/4. So, my entire pizza is over. Now, for the second pizza, right? I take 1/4 part. Again, the next one, 1/4 part and 1/4 part. That means I ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 1/4 part. Got it? I ate 7 1/4 part, and so if I edit this, I will get my answer 7 upon 4. So this is known as improper fraction, where numerator is bigger, is greater than the denominator. जब कभी न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा होता है बच्चों, we call it as a improper fraction. Let's have one more example. Now look at here. You can see here a square and it is divided into 3 equal parts. So when we have made 3 parts, the denominator will be 3. One more here square, again it is 3 equal parts. So now just think, how many 1/3 parts are colored? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 upon 3. One more example. Again, there is one rectangle divided into 5 equal parts. Another rectangle again divided into 5 equal parts. So denominator will be 5. Now we are coloring 1/5 part. So just see how many 1/5 part we have colored. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3 from the second one. So 6, 7 and 8, 8 upon 5. So remember, if numerator is greater, this is an example of improper fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means a whole number and a fraction. Whole number means, you know, it is a complete thing, right? For example, I have a chocolate bar. I have another chocolate bar. And from the third chocolate bar, I ate only one piece. तो पहली चॉकलेट पूरी खा ली, दूसरी चॉकलेट भी पूरी खा ली और तीसरी जो चॉकलेट थी उसका मैंने 1/4 पार्ट खाया है. सो व्हाट आई विल से, मैंने 2 चॉकलेट खाई और एक 1/4 खाया. सो आई विल राइट एज 2 एज अ होल नंबर, पूरा खाया है ना, सो 2 and 1/4. Such fractions are known as mixed fraction. Now look at here. In the first figure you can see a circle. Let us assume मैंने पूरा एक पिज्जा खाया है जिसके 6 पार्ट्स हुए थे, लेकिन दूसरे पिज्जा के मैंने सिर्फ 2 ही पार्ट खाए आउट ऑफ 6. सो एक पूरा का पूरा पिज्जा खाया, सो होल नंबर 1 एंड सेकेंड में से मैंने कितना खाया, 2/6. So when we represent anything with a whole number and a fraction, it is known as mixed fraction. There are many mixed fractions like this: 1, 1/2, 15, 5/6, 3, 2/3, 10, 6/7, 5, 2/5 and 6, 11/12. Now, how to convert improper fraction into a mixed number? So let's take an example. We have 30/7. It's an improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is bigger. When I say 30/7, I can also say 30 is divided by 7. So when it's a division, you know what is divisor, what is quotient, what is dividend and remainder. So let's divide. 30 dividend, 7 divisor. So now 7 4s are 28. We write 28 here. We'll subtract, you will get remainder 2. So you have learned this division, right? Now how to write this in a mixed number? So to write this, first thing, we write the divisor in the denominator. Clear? Now whatever is the quotient, we write as a whole number. Quotient is written as whole number and the remainder is written as numerator. Write the divisor in the denominator, write the quotient as a whole number and the remainder in the numerator. Example 15/12. So we divide 15 by 12. Okay. So now we know 15 is dividend, 12 is divisor, 12 ones are 12, remaining is 3. And now to write this, we write first 12 in the denominator, 1 as a whole number and the remainder 3. Now how to convert a mixed number into an improper fractions? Previously we have seen improper to mixed. Now mixed into improper. So take one example. Whole number 2 and 6/9 is a fractions. So now look at the steps. The first step is multiply denominator with the whole number. So here we have to multiply 9 into 2. So how much? 18. Now second step, add numerator to the answer. So 18 plus 6. How much children? It will be 24. So now we'll write the improper fraction is 24 upon 9. So one more example. 4 into 3 upon 4. So first rule, multiply denominator with the whole number. So 4 into 4, 16. Add numerator to the answer. So 16 plus 3, that is 19. And hence the improper fraction is 19 upon 4. It's clear? For your practice, 3 sevens are 21 plus 4, that is, yes, 25 upon 7. Be ready with the second answer. 5 threes are 15 plus 2, and that is 17 upon 3. Now next is 2 sevens are plus 5, that is 14 plus 5, and hence answer is 19 upon. We can add, subtract, multiply and divide also fractions. Now children, adding and subtracting mixed numbers. First we'll see addition of mixed fraction. 7 into 4 upon 9 plus 10 into 2 upon 9. First observe the given fraction. Look at the denominator. They are same, right? So the one method is you can first add the whole number. So which are the whole number? 7 and 10. So I will write 7 plus 10. Now you will add the fraction. So 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9. And plus we have to add this to the whole number. Okay. So 7 plus 10 is easy, 17. Now you know that when the denominators are same, we can add the numerators. So this will be 17 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 upon 9. And hence the answer is 17 upon into 6 upon 9. Let us take one more example. 5 into half plus 3 into 3/4. Now look at them. These are the fractions. These are the mixed numbers having different denominator. So what we'll do first? The first rule, we add the whole number 5 plus 3 and then we add the fractions half and 3 upon 4. Now here what we have to do children? 5 plus 3 is 8, very easy. Now half and 3 upon 4, their denominator are different. We should make it same. So just think, if we multiply 2 by 2, 2 twos are 4. So you have to multiply the number in such a way that you will get the same denominator. 8 plus. Now in a fraction, if you are doing any multiplication with the numerator, same should be done with the denominator. So 1 into 2, 2 into 2. So this is plus 3 upon 4, right, as it is. Now 8 again as it is. 1 into 2, 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is 2 upon 4. Now as in the previous sum, what we have done? Look at them having the same denominator. So we write 8 and 2 plus 3, 5. 5 upon 4. Now the same sum can be done by the, now again same sum. What we'll do? We'll directly convert this number. So 5 twos are 10 plus 1, it is 11 upon 2. 3 fours are 12 plus 3 upon 4. So count how much? 10 plus 1, 11 upon 2, and this is 15 upon 4. But again, the denominators are different. So what we'll do? We'll change this 2 into 4. How? By multiplying with 2 in both numerator as well as denominator. So 11 twos are and 2 twos are 4 plus 15 upon 4 as it is. So this will be how much? 22 upon 4 plus 15. So here altogether 37 upon 4. So you can solve this sum by any method children. Now subtraction. Again the rule for the whatever the steps we have followed for the addition, same is for the subtraction, except you have to subtract instead of adding. So let's take an example. Again, look them, they have a different denominator. So, what we will do first? We'll subtract the whole number, that is 7 minus 3 plus, what we'll do here? 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5. Now, 7 minus 3, answer is 4. Now, 2 and 5. Here children, you cannot convert 2 into 5. Right? So what we will do? We will cross multiply this. So this will be 1 into 5 upon 2 into 5 plus 1 into 2 upon 5 into 2. Now look at them. 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10. So denominators are equal. So we write 4 plus now 5 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10. Again the same steps we come across here. So 5 plus 2 7. So your answer will be 4 into 7 upon 10. Is it clear? So again you can write this 4 into 7 upon 2. If you multiply 4 tens are 40 plus 7, 47 upon 10. Now same sum. Here we convert into first improper fraction. So 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15 upon 2. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 upon 5. So 15 upon 2 minus 16 upon 5. Now denominators are different. So cross multiplying again. So 15 into 5, 2 into 5. 16 into 2, 5 into 2. So how much 15 5s are children? 75 upon 10 minus here 32 upon 10, and that is also 47 upon. Suyas bought 2.5 kgs of sugar and Ashish bought 3.5 kg. How much sugar did they buy all together? If sugar cost 32 rupees per kg, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? Now see, there are two people, Suyas and Ashish. Suyas bought 2.5 kg of sugar. Ashish ने भी 3.5 kg लिया. How much sugar did they buy all together? All together means sum. All together means total. Also together means plus. All together means sab milake. So what we should do first? We should add their fractions. So here 2.5 plus 3.5. Now there are two ways. We add first the whole number, right? So 2 plus 3. Now here half and half having the same denominator. Tell me children, half plus half is how much? It is 1, right? So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. So altogether 6 kg sugar they bought. Now we know cost of 1 sugar is 32. So for 6 kg, 32 into 6 is 192 rupees. You can solve this sum by converting into improper fraction, that is 5 upon 2 plus 7 upon 2. ऐसे भी आप कर सकते हो. So whichever is easy for you. Okay. Aradhna grows potatoes in 2/5 part of her garden, greens in 1/3 part, and brinjals in the remaining part. On how much of her plot did she plant brinjals? Whenever you have such questions, please read 2 times. Aradhna grows potatoes in 2/5 part of her garden. So let us assume कि ये उनका garden है. Now उनकी 2/5 part में कुछ potatoes है. तो ये place potatoes ने occupy कर दी है. Greens यानी कि जो हरी सब्जियां होती है. They are in the 1/3 part. कहीं पे भी होगी ये 1/3 part in the plot. Now बाकी का जो हिस्सा बचा है, ब्रिंजल्स इन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट. रिमेनिंग मीन्स बाकी के हिस्से में क्या है? ब्रिंजल्स ए. सो वी ऑन हाउ मच ऑफ हर प्लॉट डिड शी प्लांट ब्रिंजल्स. तो ये जो आपको ओपन स्पेस दिख रही है वहां पे ब्रिंजल्स होंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. पूरा का पूरा प्लॉट 1 है. सो वी एज्यूम दैट देयर इज अ 1 प्लॉट. इनमें से वी माइनस 2/5 of potato area हमने माइनस कर दिया. To that we add 1/3 of the green. ये दोनों मिला के ऐड करेंगे और सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे एंटायर प्लॉट में से, राइट? सो नाउ लुक एट देम. 5 and 1 is a whole number. 5 and 3 having the different denominators. So what we do? We cross multiply. So 2 into 3 and 5 into 3. Now for the remaining 1 into 5 and 3 into 5. So equal to sign, 1 below the 1, 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 6 upon 15 plus 5 upon 15. Now look at them, both of them now having the same denominator. So first thing we add these two. 1 minus 6 plus 5 is 11 upon 15. Now 1 means there is one numerator, 1 in the denominator. So again the denominators are not equal. So what we will do? Here in cross multiply. So 1 into 15 upon 1 into 15 minus 11 upon 15 as it is. So this will be 15 minus 11 upon 15, that is 4 upon 15. So this much part have brinjals, right? Now when you have divided into two parts, you can see here between 0 to 1 there is one mark is there. One division is there, we can say. So two part you have to cut one time. Okay. And now all this point where you have cut them, you give them the number 1, 2, 3 onwards and you will write the denominator 2 below them. So now you will get 1 upon 2, 1, 3 upon 2, 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2 and 4. Let us take a number line and here I will divide 0. As you can see, I have made 3 parts. That means these fractions have 3 in the denominator. And then on both the side, positive and the negative side, at equal distance, the parts have made. Now we'll write the point 1, 2, 3 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And below, as we have made 3 parts, denominator will be 3. So here we have represented all the fractions having the denominator 3. If there is a fraction having 4 in the denominator, we'll make 4 parts of each unit. For 5 upon 5, that is 5 in the denominator, we again make 5 parts. And similarly for the 6 in the denominator, 6 parts. And for the 8 in the denominator, 8 parts. Remember, between 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and ahead, we have to make that many parts which are in the denominator. Thank you very much for watching my video. Do like, comment and share this video with your other friends. And keep watching. Stay tuned to Alpa Active Learning.